Thomas, wake up! Percy, I am awake. Oh, well, it's freezing today, Thomas. I agree. That wind's very strong today. To be honest, I'm surprised it's this windy out. Did someone say surprises? No, Diesel. Oh. I fall out the prices. I do get plainly say I like the fence around the dazzle through the yard. The fuck was his problem? I have no idea. But yeah, it is very freezing out today. Really cold, very freezing, same thing. We start doing something about this. I don't know what, but we should. I know, I want a scarf! Percy, and this one will scarf. Fine, I want a Christmas hat. We don't wear hats either. Be right back. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I'm back. Where did you get that from? I don't know. Did someone say slip coaches? No, what the fuck? No one says slip coaches. Oh. I fall out surprises, as you can plainly see. I like to bring somebody out to the yard. Thomas, I think Duck has officially gone QQ. Percy, he got QQ'd a long time ago. Also, why was he singing a Diesel song? I don't know. Did someone say Jim? What? No, Steven. No one said. Come on and slam, and welcome to the gym. Come on and slam, and welcome to the gym. Come on and slam, and welcome to the gym.